Hi! In front of me is Motorola RAZR 30 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, you need to find Clock app, and when you find it, click on it. Then choose Alarm section at the bottom left corner. And before creating your alarm, tap on those three dots at the top right one. Then select Settings and adjust all of those under Alarms however you want to, like snooze. When you finish, go back, and to create your alarm, select this plus button. Now set up an hour. In order to save it, hit OK in the pop-up. Then click on Add Label at the top. Type in wherever you wish to, if you wish to, and tap on OK in order to save it. Below your hour, you can tap on days of the week that you wish to set up. I will go with Mondays and maybe Wednesdays. If you want to, you can click on this little icon next to Pause Alarm and pick days that you wish to exclude, like those two for me. Save them by hitting OK. Finally, you can tap on this little bell, select Dismiss in the pop-up, or download Spotify music if you wish to, and decide which alarm sound option you want to use. You can click on YouTube Music, log into your account and use music from it. Click on Sounds, tap on Add New under your sounds and apply any song from your smartphone. Or just click on one of those melodies, like for example buzzer alarm. Wherever you decide. When you finish, go back. Then tap on those two little icons next to Vibrate to disable or enable vibrations, and next to Google Assistant Routine to add or remove your alarm from it. As you can see, after that, mine was successfully created. In order to hide all of those options, click on the top right corner of your alarm. To switch it off completely, tap on the blue switcher next to it. And to turn it on, click on the same now gray one. To access all of your alarm settings, click on the top right corner. And to delete it, select Delete at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!